The Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error in games like Avowed or other programs typically occurs when there are issues with Visual C++ redistributable packages, corrupt files, or system incompatibility. Here are steps to resolve this error on your PC. 1. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. The error is often related to missing or corrupt Visual C++ redistributable packages. You may need to repair or reinstall these. Repair existing packages. Press Windows +R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter to open the Programs and Features window. Scroll through the list of installed programs and find Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. There might be multiple versions. Right-click on each version and select Change, then choose Repair. Repeat for all versions of Visual C++ Redistributable installed. Reinstall packages. If repairing doesn't work, uninstall the existing Visual C++ redistributables by right-clicking them in Programs and Features and selecting Uninstall. Then download and install the latest Visual C++ redistributable from Microsoft's official website. Download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Important: ensure you install both the x86 and x64 versions if your PC is 64-bit. 2. Update your graphics drivers. An outdated or corrupt graphics driver can cause runtime errors in games. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows +X and selecting Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. If no update is found, you can manually download the latest drivers from the GPU manufacturer's website. NVIDIA driver. Download AMD driver. Download Intel driver and Support Assistant 3. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your operating system is fully up to date, as updates may include important fixes for runtime errors. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your PC after the updates are installed. 4. Verify the integrity of game files for Steam and other platforms. If you're playing Avowed on Steam or another platform, the error could be due to corrupted or missing game files. For Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Avowed, or the game you're having issues with, and select Properties. In the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and automatically download replacements. 5. Disable background programs and overlays. Sometimes background programs or overlays, like Discord, GeForce Experience, etc., can cause conflicts with games and runtime errors. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. Disable any overlays, like Discord overlay or Steam overlay, and check if the issue persists. 6. Reinstall the game. If the error is isolated to Avowed or any other specific game, reinstalling the game may help resolve the issue. Uninstall Avowed from your PC. Download and reinstall it through your preferred platform, Steam, Xbox Game Pass, etc.